Hi, this is Alenka with Revision. How can I help? Booking an appointment? Absolutely. I can help you in a few different ways. You can book an appointment over the phone, email us, or use our online booking system. Let's talk you through that. So at Revision, we believe that having laser vision assessments should be as easy as possible. That's why we're one of the few places you can book an online appointment. So the first thing you'll do is go to revision.nz. There's a big orange button that says Book an Assessment. Clicking on there, you're going to be left with two options, a virtual assessment or an in-person assessment. The difference between the two is for an in-person assessment, it's great for people who are local to Auckland. They can come in, have all of their measurements done, and chat with the team about whether or not they're suitable. A virtual assessment is ideal for patients outside of Auckland or those who are quite busy and can't make it into the building before chatting with the team. So over the phone, we'll be able to discuss whether or not you're suitable based on some information that you give us about your eyes. Once you've selected if you want a virtual assessment or an in-person, the next step is to select the time that you're coming in. We offer appointments Monday through Saturday, and they come in 30-minute slots on our webpage. So just select the date and time that would be most suitable for you. Once you've selected the date and time that you'll be coming in to see us or receiving your phone call, we'll ask you to fill in a few personal details such as your name, phone number, and email so we can easily get in contact with you. We'll send through a confirmation email once the appointment has been confirmed by our booking system. There's also a few questions that we ask in order to get a little bit more familiar with your eyes before you come in. Those help the optometrist prepare for your visit. And then you're done. It's that easy. A few short clicks through our website and you have yourself a laser vision assessment. You're ready to come in and see us or receive a phone call from our friendly team. Any further questions? Just leave a comment below. See you soon.